Hi everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the best solutions to make your life easier and smarter. Today, we're exploring what I can confidently call the best space-saving storage on the market right now. The Amazon Basics Vacuum Compression Space-Saving Storage Bags, Jumbo 6-Pack. If you've ever struggled with overflowing closets, bulky winter clothes, or the never-ending puzzle of fitting everything into your suitcase, you're about to meet your new best friend. These vacuum compression bags come in a pack of 6 jumbo-sized giants, each measuring a massive 40 by 30 inches. That's more than enough room to store your off-season clothing, towels, bulky comforters, or even linens, all in a neat, compact, airtight package. The bags work by removing excess air from your soft goods using the included hand pump. And here's a smart touch: if you're at home, you can also attach your regular vacuum cleaner to the valve for faster air suction. Either way, it's a quick, hassle-free process. Let's talk build quality. These are not your average thin plastic bags. Amazon Basics has made them out of a durable dual-layer material, PA and PE. This combo gives the bags added resistance to tears and wear, so you're not just getting a one-time use item. It's serious business. Each bag is equipped with a heavy-duty double-zip seal and a triple-sealed turbo valve. Together, they create an airtight lock, ensuring that no moisture, dirt, or insects can creep in. Once sealed, your bulky textiles can shrink down by up to 80%, making them easy to slide under a bed, into a closet, or even in a suitcase. Now imagine going on a long trip and bringing along multiple jackets, sweaters, or bulky clothes. Instead of stuffing them into every corner of your luggage, just pop them into one of these bags, zip, pump, and you're ready to go. Lightweight and flat-packed, your clothes are safe, compressed, and organized. These are reusable. After you take out your clothes, just fold the bag back up and use it again. Whether you're rotating seasonal wardrobes or preparing for a move, the long-term value really adds up. Even the packaging is thoughtful. The entire 6-pack set comes in a compact box with the hand pump included. Factor in a one-time shipping fee for international buyers, and it still holds up as a great deal. To wrap it up, the Amazon Basics Vacuum Compression Storage Bags are a no-brainer if you're battling clutter or simply want to optimize space. With their size, build, versatility, and value, it's no wonder they're labeled Amazon's choice. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more product deep dives, and drop a comment below. If you've used these or any other space-saving solutions you'd recommend. Until next time, stay organized and stay smart.